Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting access. Log in as an administrator because only that account shows logs. Once done, plug a laptop into the router or join its secure Wi-Fi to avoid remote blocks. Make sure you know the router IP address. Check your device's gateway or the sticker on the router, usually 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. Enter that IP into your browser, because the router web interface is where history and logs are stored. Once inside the web interface, navigate to System, Administration, or Advanced. Different manufacturers label it differently. You're looking for Traffic Monitor, Logs, or System Log. Enable logging if it's off, because many routers don't store history by default. Set a sensible log level and retention so entries aren't purged immediately, and if available, enable export to a USB or syslog server. This saves raw entries for later review and makes analysis far easier. Finally, download or view the logs and filter by client IP address, MAC, or destination port to isolate browsing activity. Look at DNS queries and HTTP/HTTPS host names and use timestamps to map sessions. This reveals when sites were visited. If you find nothing, make sure logging level and retention weren't too low. Update router firmware, enable syslog forwarding, or attach a USB storage. One troubleshooting tip: reboot after changing log settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.